Your skin's redness after a Brazilian wax isn't just damage. It's your body signaling for repair. Many aftercare tips focus on surface comfort, but true healing occurs at the cellular level. In this video, we'll explore how timing and peptides can speed up your skin's recovery. This information is often overlooked, but it's crucial. When you wax, hair removal causes controlled mechanical stress on the skin. This triggers a rapid biochemical response. Mast cells release histamine and blood vessels expand. As fluid moves into tissues, your skin turns red and feels warm. Inflammatory messengers flood the area. These messengers aren't harmful, they're instructions. They tell the skin, start repairing. The intensity of this signal affects how long redness lasts. Timing here is essential, yet many miss it. After waxing, your follicles are open and skin permeability is high. For about 15 minutes, your skin is most receptive to healing. This window is critical for accelerated recovery. If overlooked, inflammation lingers longer than necessary. Most routines ignore this key step and focus on temporary relief. Peptides are short chains of amino acids acting as cellular messengers. Certain peptides mimic collagen or growth factors. Skin cells recognize these fragments and trigger additional collagen production. This isn't mere moisturizing, it's the body getting specific repair instructions. Instead of merely soothing inflammation, peptides help regulate it. By organizing the repair process, they reduce redness, sensitivity, and long-term damage. Soothing is just the beginning. This is advanced skin science. Waxing temporarily reduces your skin's protective lipids. This weakens the barrier and increases sensitivity. Your skin microbiome also suffers from vulnerability. Over-disinfecting kills beneficial bacteria, while under-protecting creates imbalance. Targeted peptides can assist natural antimicrobial peptides. They bolster defenses without harming good bacteria. Balancing the skin is critical for healthy recovery. Recovery isn't only about the immediate aftermath. Controlled skin repair influences its long-term health. Well-regulated inflammation helps keep collagen structured properly. Efficient lipid restoration means less future sensitivity and improved texture. The goal is lasting resilience, not just short-term comfort. Remember, redness after waxing is purposeful communication from your body. Understanding this allows you to guide recovery more intentionally. Peptide repair isn't magic. It's rooted in molecular biology. If you're keen on mastering your skin's science and optimizing its barrier, subscribe for future insights. Healthy skin isn't a fad. It's grounded in understanding its true workings.